Hi, my name is Gail Hoffman from North Redington Beach, Florida, and on behalf of ExpertVillage, I am going to show you how to make mole poblano sauce. Okay, so our beautiful mole sauce has been simmering for about an hour now, and the flavors just, keep melding together. And I'm going to put a little bit of salt and pepper in there to taste. We've got the spicy chipotle in there, so the black pepper doesn't need to be too heavy. And again, it just is a wonderful sauce with various meats. Chicken is very popular with it. And it has a lot of really unusual ingredients coming together in one pot, but it makes for a just a very unique sauce. And that's mole poblano.